Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will discuss how to add disk defragment or the disk defragmentation on your desktop, or in another way we can say optimize the drives. How can we run this service from the system? Okay, the normal way is open your my computer, you just right click on your drive, any drives. You can right click properties, then from tools this disk defragmentation. Okay, this optimize disk. What is this optimize? What is the function of this service? The function of this service, because sometimes your operating system is storing any file or any folder or any data, is storing these files one by one and like that. So if any data is stored in your hard disk drive and by the time this file is defragmented or now stored in many places, so the part of the file is divided into parts. Okay, these parts can stored in many places on your hard disk drive, so it will make your system very slow. Okay, because when you load this file or when you call this file to run it or run any command like this, it will collect all the part of the file from many places, so it will take time, so it will become slow. So this defragmentation process may make your system very fast, because optimization or defragmentation, collecting all the file parts stored in many places in your hard disk drive, and collect all of the part of the files and make it in one place. Okay, to be stored in one place, so it can run it very fast. So this is the process of the disk defragmentation or disk optimization. Okay, so the normal way to run this service: properties, tools, from tools, optimize. Okay, so you can choose the drive you want to optimize. So no defragmentation, no fragmented means I think no, because I didn't make optimize before. Okay, so now disk is good and like this, so my status is very good and okay. But if I make analyzing, I think another result will be happen. If I want analyze like this, if I press analyze, so no problem. So drive is being optimized automatically, so it no need automatically. Okay, it can be done automatically. So if you want to make it at least once a month, so you have to make it, you have to run it like this at least once a month. Okay, optimize, and you can choose the drive, and he will start to make this optimize automatically, because weekly. See, this is a frequency or the scheduled. Okay, scheduled optimization, make weekly. This hard disk drive, that's why it's very fast. Now when I work in this operating system, so it's working very fast. So how to make this disk defragmentation or this disk optimization of optimizing drives on your desktop? How to add it? First, we have to run it from the command prompt. This is the first way how to run this disk defragment or disk optimization or optimization drive optimization. I can run it from this command prompt. So the defragment means DFRG user interface. DFRG defragment user interface. Enter. It will run it very fast. Okay. The second way how to run it, how to make a shortcut in your desktop by the same executive file. New shortcut. If I want to make it as an icon in your desktop, so the same defrag DFRG UI user interface. Enter. So the icon is created for disk optimization or disk defragment. So double click, it will work very fast. Okay. Now I want to teach you how to add it to the desktop context menu. How to add it to the desktop context menu? So it's very easy. Just open your registry, make it yes. Okay. Inside this registry, for the first hive, HKey classes root, we can go directly, open from your keyboard DRI. Okay, it will go directly to the drive. This drive means this partition. This partition means the drive. Right click, it will be here. Okay, any button I will create now in this registry at this file under shell. If I create any button here like this, new key, disk defragmentation means disk optimization. Okay, or optimized drives. I'll call it optimize or disk defragmented drive. Defragment drives. Okay, I'll call it like this. Okay, so if I right click here on the drive, defragment drives. Okay, so I can call it like this because the service which running now, it will be the optimizing drives, or optimize, you can call it, it's up to you. You can call it optimized drives or defragmented drives as you wish. Okay, so this is the button we created now. Right click on the drive, defragment drives. So we want to give it an icon. The same icon of the defragment icon. Okay, so at the right side, make a new string value. I'll name it icon. Inside this icon, double click, I'll name the same. I'll write DFRG defragment user interface .exe executive file. DFRG UI, this is for defragmentation. Okay, so now the new command take the same icon of the disk defragmentation. So right click now, it becomes here defragmented drives. Okay, so it will not run. If I click it now, it will not run until I make a new key under the key I created before. So right click on the key I created, make a new key, make it command. Okay, inside this command at the right side, make it double click DFRG. This is the executive file, DFRG UI user interface .exe, because this is the executive file for disk optimization or disk defragmentation. Okay, this defragment or drive defragmentation. So now working. If I right click in the button now, defragmentation. Okay, this is added to this is to the drive, to add it to the drive. Okay, so now it's available now, defragment drives. So working very fast. Instead of go properties, tools, optimize like this, so it's only one click of the drives, defragmented drive. Okay, before we discuss about the disk cleanup, it will work very fast. Right click on the drive, defragmented drives. Okay, this is to add this new command for defragmented drives. We add it now to the drive. Okay, to the partition. So if you want to add it to the desktop like before, we can go there. We have to export this one now, this project we created. So export it to desktop, make it export defragmented drives on drive. Okay, defragment on drive. Okay, this is to the desktop. Okay, save it to the desktop. Okay, this is how to make it. Now no need to register now because the command is already here for defragmentation on drive. This is defragment on a drive. So it's available now for the defragmented drive. It's working. So if you want to remove it from this system again, so let's make it at the lesson number 12. You can see you can watch this video to learn how to make this new Windows command script, the lesson number 12, okay, of my videos. So right click, new, switch command like this, defragment on a drive. So make it copy the same, paste, drive, delete, because this will delete the new command we added to the drive. Okay, the drive partition. Okay, so what to add inside? We'll add inside reg delete hkcr / we'll take the full location for the item we created before, defragment drives. It's better I call it before, but we have to name it at the right side of the registry to be able to remove. Okay, let's make it only new change. Let's remove this one, new change. I have to name it at the right side to be able to remove it from the right side. So this is the defragmented drives. we will not call it, we will not name it here. Disk defragment, okay, or drive defragmented drive, okay, DD, okay. At the right side I'll name it here, defragment, okay, drives, defragmented drives, okay. The same result will be right click defragmented drives, the same, and working very good, but only naming, because when I wanna delete this one, let's export this one again, export defragment drives, defragmented drives, okay. We exported to the desktop now here, defragmented drives. This is the defragmented drives we created now. So right click now, not right click, now the command is added and working very good, right? If we want to delete it from the system, so we have to make new Windows command script. Inside this Windows command script, I'll name it the same, defragmented drives, okay, defragmented drives on drive, okay, on drive, because later I'll make another lesson to how to add it to the desktop, okay. Defragmented drives on drive, okay, the same name, and I'll add delete, paste, delete, okay. Then what I can add inside, the same like before, reg delete HKCR, and I'll take the full location from inside the script, okay, register script up to here, copy here, v HKCR, let's make it, remove this space, HKCR /drive /, and I'll add /f to apply this command forced, okay. So this will delete the new command, the new item we added to the drive will be deleted. If we right click here or double click at the script, it will remove this one, this script. See, now it's available now, the fragmented drives, okay. Right click, run as administrator, make it yes. So right click, removed from the system. If you want to add it again, so right click on the script we created, merge, yes, okay. Now created the fragmented drives and working. One click, it will work directly. So if you want to add it, if you want to remove it, it's up to you, okay. So now we have to make it pack. Let's pack it, send to, compress the file. This is the fragment on a drive, script, okay. This script will be available under, so no need now to these two files, go away, okay. This script will be available under this video, so you can download it anytime. So finally we reach it to the end. Now we reach it to the end of the video. So thanks very much for watching this video, and goodbye.